Hello and welcome to Module 7. In this module, we're going to be talking again about interviewing and surveys. This week, you're actually going to get out and start interviewing people as well as releasing your survey. We're hoping that you interview at least 2 people, and for your surveys, you have at least 7 to 10 responses to your survey. In order for this to be effective, you definitely need to have that many people participating in your interview and your surveys. There's some helpful hints that we've added, so that way that can help you kind of through this. One of the things that you want to keep in mind, you want to interview people that are in the mainstream of your challenge. You want to interview people that are the outliers. We also call them extremes. So if you're like, what do those mean? Go back to the Human-Centered Design book and take a look at those different pieces. You also could do a group interview. You could do interviews with one person. We are asking that you record your interviews in Zoom, submit your transcripts so that way we can see what's happening. Also, if you use the transcript in Zoom, you don't have to take as many notes. You can use the transcript for a complete description of what you talked about and a complete review of what you covered in the interviews. In your survey, you're going to be using Google Forms again. And in Google Forms, you're just going to update the one you did 2 weeks ago with my comments, with the comments from your peers. Add those in. Take some time to make sure that you ask all the questions that you need to have answered, because you only get one shot to do this. Most people aren't going to fill out your survey twice, so you only get one, so make sure that it's ready. You can send it out through social media. You can also email it to people. You can also use a QR code and have people scan it and fill it out. You could even print it out and then take those answers and put them back into Google Forms when you're done. So figure out what's best for you. Also, for your Google form, you're going to create a Google Sheet. We added a video into the assignment area so you can see how to do that. It's very simple, very easy, but make sure that you share your documents so that way everybody can get in and work on them and use them. If you have questions, please let us know. Have a productive week. We look forward to working with you. Take care.